everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Aneta here, and today I'm gonna talk about a filter method in JavaScript language. But before we start it, please subscribe to my channel if you wanna see more videos like this one. Also, please let me know what do you wanna see next. Okay, let's get started. The filter method is used to filter elements of an array, and it looks like this. We are filtering over this array. We are using a callback function with 3 arguments: element, index of this element, and an array, which is the array we are filtering. The filter method returns a new array of filtered elements which pass the test implemented by the provided function. That means that we are not modifying the previous array, we are creating a new one. Okay, let's see an example. We have an array of numbers. Let's say that we want only elements before 30 number. So we can filter this array and create a new array second. So what we will need? We will need this array, we will need the filter method, the element which is each element of this array, and a callback function which will tell us what elements we want to return. And in that case, we want only elements which are less than 30. And this is our output of array second. And I wanted to show you this example in the console, so let's see what is our array. First, it shouldn't be changed, and it's not. So it's not modifying the array, it is creating a new one. So let's see what is our array second. It's 0, 10, 20, so it's before 30 number. And let's see another example. We have an array of strings of animals. We have cat, dog, elephant, bird, and monkey. And we want an array of animals from this array, but only which are up to 4 letters. So we filter over this array, and we only get animal which length is less than 5. So it's up to 4. And let's see what is our animals for letters right now. So the filtered array has only 3 elements from this array. And that was it for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one.